bake it and I eat it, which is most of the time why I bake. What's it called? Obviously it's YouTube blog. Hey y'all, my name is Sierra and welcome to my channel, Sweet and Simple. If you haven't guessed from the title below, we are baking on this channel. So it's baking made simple just for you, whether you know how to bake, or you don't know how to bake, or maybe you're small like me and you don't have a lot of time in your hands every single day to bake really difficult recipes. This is a channel for you. And I'm sorry, you might not see a lot of difficult cake decorating and baking, all that stuff, but regardless, we are baking today and we're gonna have a lot of fun. And to kickstart everything, we're gonna be making lemon bars. It is summertime, so why not make lemon bars for the first video? And yep, so without further ado, let's get started.
Alright guys, so to start off, you're gonna preheat your oven to 350. Next, you're going to prep your pan with cooking spray and some parchment paper just to ensure that your lemon bars don't stick to the bottom when you take them out. Alright guys, so here comes the fun part. You're going to need at least 4 to 5 lemons. This is for the filling, but we're just going to put those aside and we'll use that later. For the crust, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 stick of butter softened, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And once you have that, you're ready to start mixing. Let's go. Okay guys, so just get yourself a medium-sized bowl like I have here. Give you enough room to mix everything up. You're gonna start with the dry ingredients first. I usually like to do this just so that everything's well incorporated and mixed well. And then once I have everything mixed, so you don't have to take a long time to mix this. It's just a quick mix. And I have the butter here. Cubed it like I said. Wait, I don't know why I'm putting that in there first. Don't do what I just did. I forgot to mix the dry ingredients. You see? I said I mixed some dry ingredients first and I didn't even do it. Okay, now you put the butter in once everything's mixed. And then you're gonna start mixing up. I like to use my hands. That just helps me to control everything and make sure everything's well combined. You can use a spatula, a whisk, or fork. Sometimes that helps. But I just like to use my hands. Alright guys, so now that you have that all mixed up, it should look something like this, like little crumble like texture. And then you're gonna go ahead, take your prepped pan, and you're gonna put all of that on the bottom, and you're gonna start pressing that down evenly throughout the pan. And once you're done with that, guys, it should look like this. And go ahead and put the crust in the oven for at least 15 minutes until golden brown, and then let's get started on our lemon filling. And for your filling, you will need 1.5 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of flour, and 2/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon. Here I have an extra lemon just in case I need a little bit more tartness. I like my lemon bars tart. But if you do not, it's totally up to you. You don't have to add extra. So go ahead and start with your sugar and your eggs. Be sure to mix these well before adding anything else. And like my little girl says, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And once your egg and sugar mixture is combined, go ahead and add the flour. Make sure you're mixing the flour very well. You don't want any lumps in your filling. And for the star of the show, your lemon juice. Go ahead and pour all of that in and mix it, mix it, mix it. And right here, I'm just making sure there's no lumps from the flour. Make sure everything's well incorporated. And there you have it, guys. This is what it should look like once you're done mixing everything in for your filling. And by this time, your crust should be out of the oven, cooled a little bit. Golden brown on the edges, perfect. Go ahead and pour in all that delicious filling. Here, I actually realized that I made a lot more than it actually should have, so I just used half of it and just saved the rest for a rainy day. Nearly there, guys, so now you're just gonna go ahead and pop that in the oven for 30 minutes until golden brown, and we'll see you back when it's done. Alrighty, guys, so once it's done baking, go ahead and take it out of the oven. You're going to want to let it cool for at least 5 to 10 minutes. I know it's hard, you want to eat it right away, but it's much easier to cut once it's cold. Okay, guys, so once it's cold, go ahead and transfer them onto a clean surface. And from here, we're going to cut them into squares. And you can cut them as big as you want them, small, big, whatever size you desire. And that's it, guys. Go ahead and transfer them to a plate, powder them with some powdered sugar. And there you have it, guys. Homemade lemon bars. If you like this first video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!